Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use X Communities feature hidden trick. To use this X Communities hidden feature trick, you have to simply open the X application on your device, then tap on your profile icon. Now the feature that we are going to use is also known as the double exposure feature. All you have to do is tap on your profile icon, and from here you should be able to view your post. All you have to do is simply tap on this share icon right on the bottom of your post. And from here you should be able to find another option called share with the community. Now it is not shown on mine because this account is my new account, but once you do so and share it to your community, you should be able to add hook. Now all you have to do is write a engaging hook for your post, and from there, once you post it, this post will be shown to your followers as well as the community members. And that is how you can get double exposure. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.